Hello, I just got home from my last heavy workout day of the week, and it was really good. Had fun. Now I'm tired but happy, so that's how it's supposed to be. And I'm looking forward to go to the shower, eat, and also record the video of the week for you guys. So stay tuned and have fun. Hello, so here's now the recap. Unlike the intro that you just saw, it's not Saturday anymore, it's already Sunday. Uh, I I was quite tired yesterday after getting some food and cleaning up and doing plenty of other things that I figured I can do this also today. So here we are. Uh, yeah, so what has happened the last week? Uh, let's start with my weight progress. It's looking good. I gained a little less than half a kilo now, week by week. So I keep my calories stable where they are, just to see how I develop, how my body is going to transform. I'm happy with that. I don't seem to add much fat so far, at least nothing that would be visible. So that's another good point. So no need to really make drastic changes in my macro breakdown or the calories overall. Once I start gaining fat too quick, it's probably time for a mini cut for a week or two, just to give my body a new signal that I still will give him plenty of calories, but to kindly stop producing all that fat mass and more diverting into more muscle mass. So yeah, we'll see. But whenever that happens, we take it then. Gym, how was powerlifting? Much better this week. It's week 2. I realized that I need to dial down my weights a little bit. Everything is percentage based. I went and went down a notch. Now percentage and RPE and the way it actually feels, all those things combined, much closer to where it should be. So that's good. I'm making progress there. Now this week the lifts felt much better, not only in terms of the weight, but also as a skill. I mean, when it comes to powerlifting, still a beginner, so I need to work on the skill as much as I can. I will share my training progress with you, of course, from the first few days of the week. Okay, day 1 of week 2, high bar squats. Here's the top set. You will see it didn't feel very well. It's not smooth at all. It's really a pain. I have to force it, getting to depth and then up again. The bar isn't feeling well on my upper back. I don't feel tight. My elbows are not good. It's just wasn't a good squat day, but better than the previous week, and I hope it will continue to go in a positive direction. Then here we are, same day, bench press. The press itself is okay, but you can see there's no arch, no tension, no upper back tension, no leg drive whatsoever. Makes it really hard, and I wasn't feeling it that day. But live to lift another day. Here we are on day 4 of the program, pause deadlifts. Actually the first time the deadlifts felt good again. Still struggling with my grip. It's the toughest part, but it felt quite good. I got the lift off relatively easy. Hands felt okay, and the pause deadlift looked quite decent overall. So now we're back, and yeah, as you could see, it's kind of getting better, but I'm still not really feeling it, as I already said. But yeah, it takes time. I'm in no rush. I'm getting stronger. My grip strength seems to be my biggest issue. The first couple of lifts this week, I really had a couple of problems with bracing. As you saw in my first week, I did this front squat PR for 4 reps, and I was bracing so hard that I felt that I was sore on my core for the next 4 days. And on my first deadlift day, I don't know, I kind of pulled a muscle right about here, just below the ribs on my abs, and that really wasn't helping when it came to bracing and deadlifting and squatting. Didn't impact me so much and on benching, but still wasn't fun. Yeah, grip strength sucks, but it's getting better too. Yeah, makes especially the deadlifts really hard. I can feel how my hands are really the limiting factor at the moment. I had a mobility day, and that was fun. Like that, really working hard on my shoulder mobility, hip and ankle mobility, because I have the personal goal to be able to overhead squat the bar in the midterm with decent form, and by the end of the year I would like to add some weight. Even if it's only 2.5 kilos, I don't care. I just want to get there while maintaining a proper, good, healthy form throughout the lift. So yeah, that takes time, that takes work. I've been working on it for quite a while. Front squats get better. At the end of the week, my benching also got better. I managed to connect to the movement and start to get some leg drive, which you can see here. Day 5 of the program. Here we are with bench pressing, and you will see it's much better than the first day of the week. I actually have an arch. It feels much tighter. I have way more tension in my back, and I'm actually pushing through my legs much more. Still not perfect, but way better, and it felt much smoother. So that was a good bench pressing day for me, especially considering that I don't enjoy pressing that much. So yeah, it's better, progress. I'm happy with that. So yeah, of course this helps benching a lot, this and a little less weight, but I was feeling it. I was bracing, I was trying to bend the bar, really activating my lats and pushing through my feet, through my body, up the bar. Then yeah, I went and worked on my front squats again, and I managed to do the same weight, 75 kilos, which is basically body weight, and made it a 5 rep PR. Last week it was 4, so added 1 rep. You can see it here. Front squats again, like last week, 75 kilos. I would have loved to add more, but I was wise enough not to add more and just do the same. It felt actually really, really good. Instead of doing 4 reps, I did 5. But as you can see, I wasn't as tight as the previous week, which let me fall forward a little on the way down and made getting up a little harder. But it felt good. So yeah. Yeah, that was fun. I didn't brace as hard as the previous week, which you can see because the bar is already when I move down is moving forwards a little. So yeah, I wasn't really having a straight back too much. I don't know. It felt much better than it actually looked now from the side view. But that's okay. Keep learning, keep trying, keep getting better. That's the important part. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this. If this is interesting, helpful. Do you have questions? Let me know. Write them in the description. To me, this is just for me. It's kind of journaling my progress. Makes me recap everything and think about what happened, what was good, what was bad, what could have gone better, what do I need to tweak. So I like sharing this. Yeah, so that was fun. Hope for you too, and talk to you next time. Bye.